Next up, we have Scott from Nimblink. Welcome to the show. Just start off and tell us a little bit about who Nimblink is and what you do.
All right, thanks. Hi again, my name is Scott. Nimblink, we are a technology company focused on M2M. We started out really focused on the small and medium business customers, working with, we're from the Midwest, so really zeroed in on the agriculture market, consumer market, and as a technology partner, we've got a platform that you'll get to know, our text alert platform, which is a fully censored with temperature, motion, and power. And we really focus on making it simple and easy to use for the end user through SMS text messaging. And we're talking to other folks up here, you know, and talk about what makes things complicated and how to move. Well, through the process, we try to implement a gateway and moving gateways up into the market. And as everybody knows, you get onto the network, and it takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort and cost every time you create a new gateway. So through the process, from the form factor, we created our own little system, our little module, which is a certified modem based off Telit, and we've actually in October decided that we would share our technology, open it up, and now we're actually allowing other folks that want to go into market to use our Skywire fully certified modems with Telit. So we're pretty excited about that, and we can talk a little bit more about complications and stuff.
Yeah, so right in line with complications, this is all about learning, you know, the nitty-gritty of implementing M2M. So what are some things that maybe you wish you would have known? Walk us through the process of just working with M2M technology that people may not consider when they think about it.
Yeah, great question. So when you think about getting into M2M, you have to have the partnerships with being able to connect into the cloud to get the data out there. You have to have the partnerships to be able to get the right sensors, to pull the right sensors in. So it's really critical about getting the right relationships. And I think the other thing that we realized, and other folks I talk to, is don't overanalyze it. Try to get going quick, because if you think about it too hard and you don't move, you got to move. And so understanding your market, and then finding the right technology and service and cloud partners to work with.
What do you think are some of the biggest industries or of customers that you're serving? Some of the biggest industries that are seeing impacts from M2M?
Yeah, for us very specifically, we're really focused on the small to medium business customers. So when you look at agriculture, you look at construction, you look at various folks in the industry, that's where we're really zeroed in on. Lots of opportunity. You take agriculture, for instance, you just look at folks running poultry barns and produce barns and tractors and the whole integrated agriculture world. So there's a huge market out there for a product like our text alert, and then obviously with the product like the Skywire, it goes across all the technologies. So we hope to be engaging across all of these.
And do you have any advice for someone, either a customer looking to implement Skywire or someone just looking to get started with modems and M2M?
Yeah, it's really, my advice is spend a little bit of time figuring out what your requirements are, what it is that you want to do. Understand a little bit about your business, how that's going to do the business impact, because it'll really drive to, do you need 2G or 3G? How much data are you going to be moving through? And then finding the right partners. And quickly, this market is large. There's a lot of great companies out there. There's a lot of people to work with. It's big enough for all of us. I think it's really just finding the partners, moving fast and quickly, because this market is moving. And we need to find it and get it out there.
So we've heard about partners a lot so far today. So can you tell us about some of the things to look for when you're looking for a partner specifically for M2M?
Sure. So again, when you look, a lot of folks are coming into the M2M space from other areas of the business. It's critical to really understand the elements of M2M when you think about going from sensors to the gateway, the ability to grab the data, move it up into the cloud. Looking for folks that have the continuity, have the ability to scale. I think we heard that a couple times already today, the scalability. And we purposely named our company Nimblink for a purpose. Somebody that's nimble, somebody that can be able to pivot and work with you to actually implement the right process, because the right solution at the end of the day might not be the one you started out with.
Great, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.